Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Kik. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Kik app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're gonna see options like chat and live at the bottom. If you go to top right corner, you're gonna see a small faded user icon. Tap on it. From there, you're gonna have to go ahead and select personal info. Now, at the end of the screen, you're gonna see logout option. Tap on it, then select logout again from your screen. Then you can see you've successfully signed out of Kik. And guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Kik. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.